how do we get organizations to change? In OD, there are a number of theories to guide us. Systems thinking is about recognizing that organizations are composed of many subsystems and that they exist within larger systems. Planned change theories help us understand to manage change. Action research allows us to make sure that decisions are guided by data. Social construction theories acknowledge that there are many perspectives as there are people in the organization. Complexity theory is about recognizing that nothing stays the same and nor is completely certain.
The best way to really learn about these core theories is by experiencing them. The fundamentals in OD program allow our learners to appreciate these theories by using hands-on exercises, case studies, interacting with actual clients, and peer monitoring.